Good evening, all. Good evening. You're welcome to the tutorials with From Eternity the Schoolboy. Today, we will take a look at mathematics. We do the mass review of the assignments given yesterday, and as usual, we'll come out one after the other to show what we did on the board. So the first person for today is Michael. Michael, please come out. Write down the first question on the board. Then solve. Let's see what you did. Come with your material. Then write the first question on the board. Let's see what you did. So after you solve, then after solving, you explain what you solved. Start from there. Okay, so let's see what you did. Explain what you did. The question says, evaluate 212 to base 3 minus 121 to base 3 plus 222 to base 3. So what did you do?
I added this 2, so I gave it 3, and 3 cannot be helped. So I added this 2, gave me 3.
Okay.
So 3 cannot be here.
Okay.
I divided 3
By what?
by 4.
And you got what?
1 remainder 0. And I put a mistake.
Correct yourself immediately and move on. Fast. Okay? No, finish with that one first. Okay?
I added this 2. I got 3. Now I divided it. I got 1 remainder 0.
Wait, the question says 212 minus 121. Are you adding or subtracting? You subtracted, not added.
2 minus 1.
Okay, good. 1. That is correct. You're not adding it. Continue. Uh-huh.
I added this element, subtracted 1 from 2, I got 1.
Okay.
1 cannot minus 2, so I got it from here.
Okay.
And I got 1 is remaining here. I added it here, so 1 minus 2.
What did you add there?
1. I added 1.
You got 1 from where? From 2.
Remaining, yes.
I add it where?
I added it here.
In what base are you working on?
3.
Are you supposed to add it there, or are you not supposed to multiply by the base? You multiply by the base now. Continue. Then you add it there. If you multiply by the base, you get what? Continue.
So I added it here.
Becomes what?
So 4 minus 2.
Okay.
Then here is 1.
How many is remaining there?
1
Okay.
minus 1, 0.
1 minus 1 is 0. So, okay, continue. So, what did I get there? What is the answer there now? What you got there is what?
2, 1.
Then continue what you are doing.
Then I added 2, 2.
So, explain this thing you did there.
I added 2 to 1, so it gave me 3.
Okay.
And I divided, I multiplied, I divided 3 by 3, and I got 1 remainder 0.
Okay.
I add the remaining one here.
Okay.
I added everything, give me 5. So
Okay.
I divided by 3 again. We want remainder 2.
Okay.
Added 1 here.
Okay.
So I can write 3. I don't divide
Okay.
it again by 3. 1 remainder 0.
Huh?
I got 1 remainder 0.
Okay.
Dividing 3 by 3.
Okay.
I now brought the remaining one.
So what's the answer now? What's the answer now?
C.
No, call the what you got.
It's 1 0 2 0.
To base what? To base 3. Please always put your base, okay? So, but what did you get in the assignment? You got B. You've seen where you made a mistake. All right. So thank you. There's any contrary answer. What did you get? C. C is what? C is 1020. You go. C 1020 base 3. Is that what you got? All right. Thank you, Michael. You can have your seat. Thank you. Thank you. Your book. Favor, come and write out number 2 and solve it. Fast. So please, let's be fast. Speed and accuracy is very important. They work together, please. So we don't waste our time. All right, explain what you did. The question says x to base 4 squared is equal to 100100 to base 2. Find x. Option A 6, B 12, C A 6, B 12, C 100, D 210. So what did you do?
I opened the bracket.
You did what?
I opened the bracket. S squared plus 4. Then I to base 10.
Okay.
4s squared.
You got what?
4s squared.
4s squared. Okay.
So I converted this one also to base 10.
To base what?
10.
Okay.
I got 36.
You got what?
36.
36, okay.
So now working with base 10. I did 4s squared equal to 36.
Okay.
S squared equal to 36 over 4.
Okay.
4 divided by 6 is 9.
Okay.
S equal to square root of 9.
Okay. So what is the answer now?
I supposed to understand. I don't know.
Okay. The answer is not in the option. Who got a different thing? Michael, what did you get? Okay, you don't get the answer. What did you get? What's going on? Why are you not getting the answer in the option? Wow. Okay. Let me also try my own now. Let's see. This is interesting. Let's see now. Okay. The question says. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Basically, you move this to base 10, right? S to base 4 to base 10. Okay. Let's see now. So if you want to move this to base 10, what will you have? We have x times what? 4, right? X times 4. Here is what?
Square there is square.
No, let's forget about square. Let's finish what is inside. Here is what? 0. Right? That's all right? Which is written as what? First was 0 is what? 1 times x is what? X. So now let's bring it inside that bracket. So x raised to 2 is now what? S squared. So actually x squared is equal to what? You got here as what? 36. Is that what you got, all of you? So here is what? S squared is now what? 36. So x is what? Square root of what? 36. So s is what? 6. The answer is A. Okay? Have you seen the correction in what you did? You don't understand what? You really look at me, I was doing it, keep quiet. When I finish, you say I didn't understand. In mathematics, if a step is taken, see, in mathematics, if a step is taken, not just mathematics, if a step is taken in any lecture you're attending and you don't understand, start ask question immediately. Don't keep quiet at the end. If x squared is equal to 36, move this to base 10. Then what did you not do? Let me even see what you did. Show me what you did. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You are not designing your note for anything. To base what? No, you move all of them to be the same base now. If they're not in the same base, you cannot solve it now. You have to move all of them to be in the same base. And the common base the two can be is base 10. You move the one in base 4 to base 10. You move the one in base 2 to base 10. Equate them and solve your question. So having moved s to base 4 is equal to base 10, we got x squared. Then we moved 100 to base 2 to base 10. We got 36. So x squared is equal to what? 36. So if x squared is 36, x is now what?
X is equal to...
If x squared is 36, which is what? 6. So that's how we got 6. Please make corrections in your note, okay? In your note, make please don't. You're not designing your note for anything. That's why you have the note. If you're given an assignment, solve it there. Even if you show your work there. Even if you fail it, no problem. It will help yourself. See, the best way to go about this is have 2 pens, okay? When you come to the assignment, have 2 pens, either blue and red, or red and black, or any color, but let it be 2 different colors. You dedicate one for corrections. You may be using red for what? Corrections. If you do assignment like this, then, and we are reviewing the assignment, so maybe somebody else is on the board reviewing the assignment, you use the red pen. If the person solves it correctly, you can use red pen to make corrections in your own. If I'm the one that solved it on the board, use the red pen to make the corrections. Even somebody else is saying something and there's a point the person made you want to note. Use red pen to make this inside the place you did the assignment. If you open that thing to read, you will, whatever the picture of everything that happened that day will appear. That's one secret of note taking I want you to learn. It's very important in your studies. Am I communicating? All right. I actually want to go to number 3. You see what? So go and show me what you saw on the board. That thing you did, go to the board and do it. Don't sit down and tell me you cannot do it. Go to the board and do that thing you did. That made it to realize that you cannot do it. Do it on the board. I want to see it. Attention, please. Let's see what she did. The question says, if 2557 is the result of subtracting 4577 from 7056, all in base n, find n. Option A, 8. Option B, 9. C, 10. And D, 11. So, what did you do?
7056 minus 4577 from base 8.
So, where did you get 8 from?
The options.
Okay, you tried all the options.
Yes.
Okay. It's okay for Obi. No problem. Okay, you tried all the options, and at the end, what did you get?
So what I'm getting is now.
Even after trying the options, you did not get the answer. Trouble.
I said I cannot solve.
Trouble. Okay, try it. Let's see. Tell us what you did. Let's see.
Okay, 6 minus 7.
It's what?
It cannot be.
Okay.
So I borrowed 1 from 5. Here is remaining 4.
Okay.
Then 1 times 8, that is the base.
Okay.
Is 8 plus 6 is 14.
Okay.
Then 14 minus 7 is 7.
Okay.
Here is remaining 4.
Okay.
4 minus 7, it cannot go.
Okay.
0. I borrowed 1 from 7.
Okay.
Add this 0.
Okay.
Then take 1 from the, that is, that 1 plus 8, that is the base is 8
1
plus
plus
0.
8.
Like 1 times
Okay,
8
okay.
is 8 plus 0 is still 8. So I borrowed 1, put in this
Okay.
5. That 1 times 8 is 8
Okay.
plus 5 is
Is it 5? You should.
4.
Okay, so 8 plus 4 is what?
12.
Okay.
12 minus 7.
It's 5. Okay.
Then here's remaining 7.
Okay.
7 minus 5, 2.
You say what? That here is very what?
7.
7. Okay, 7 minus 5 is what?
2.
2. Okay.
Then here is remaining 6.
Okay.
6 minus 4 is 2.
2.
Yes.
Wait, 2. What did you copy? In the, okay, I didn't dictate this, right?
No.
In the WhatsApp, what is there?
2557.
Is it 2557?
Yes.
Ah, check well.
So maybe you made a mistake when you are.
It's possible, Sha. Okay, continue, huh?
So I did the same thing with the second option, that is base 9. 6 minus 7, it cannot work. So I borrowed 1 from 5.
Okay,
Times it with the base is 9 plus 6.
okay,
Then I minus it with 7.
okay,
Then got it says meaning 4. 4 minus 7, it cannot go. I borrowed 1 here.
okay,
Put here. Here is remaining 8.
okay,
Then add it to this 4. Is 4 is
continue, I'm with you.
I borrowed 1. Add is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7.
Okay,
Then here is remaining 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. It is 11. 6 minus 7 it cannot work. I borrowed 1 from 5. Times it with the base. Add it to 6 is 17. 17 minus 7 is 10. So I put it in.
okay,
Then here is remaining 4.
okay,
4 minus 7 it cannot work. I borrowed 1 from here. Put here.
okay,
Then is now 14. 14. 14 minus 7 is 7.
okay,
Here is remaining 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And
Okay.
6 minus 4 is 2.
sure. So from this thing you did now, that thing is an error. Okay, that thing is 2257. Please correct it. Thank you for the observation. It's an error. Continue. Okay, you are done. So from all this you did now, which one is the likely answer?
8.
Is it can anybody else here solve it without testing the basis, the options? Talk. Say what you want to say.
She said it is the logical.
You say what?
She said it is
I tell you come and solve it. But look at it. I'm asking you. She has to say, does anybody telling her to do what she will solve it? Come and solve it now. Come and try that method you instructed. Let's see what we got. Say school. Come and solve it now, please. Are you the one that are you a timekeeper? Gift, you solve number 4. Huh? I don't understand. You're not a man. So what do you come to do? Didn't you see the title posted?
On Tuesday was chemistry, then Saturday was physics, but another person again told me that.
Are you not on WhatsApp? Are you not on WhatsApp? Your WhatsApp, right? A timetable was posted today. If you miss class, ask questions. If you miss class, ask questions. Actually, Fridays, Saturdays is maths and physics. Maths first, then followed by physics. Physics 5 to 6 p.m. Yeah. Saturdays. This thing have been changed since now, over 1 week. So you're following what?
The timetable.
Okay, you keep for physics. Okay, you said right to come early. It's okay. All right, let's continue. If you cannot solve questions during a review, I don't know. I'm sorry for the exam you are going in. It's a reality. It may sound somehow, but it's a reality. If you cannot solve things on it, if you don't take solving on the board seriously, if you cannot do it, forget it. You are just wasting your time. That's why I don't joke with this review at all. I wouldn't mind spending 30 minutes and teach you what I'm supposed to teach you without telling long stories. But this one, even if you take 1 hour 30 minutes, I don't care, because it's very important. This is where people with different ideas will come and solve their own. You look at their own, compare their own with what you know, and if you have any if you make any mistake, you can now resolve it. I'll explain what you did. You understood what she did here, right? You don't understand. We are not here when we are talking about the algebraic form of moving the number from 1 base to base 10. We are not in the class that day. You weren't in the class. But you don't have to move a number from any base to base 10. Now, that's what she did. She moved these numbers to what? From this base. Unlike the one that just tested all the bases and got the answer. She moved the numbers from the base n to base what? 10. So she can find n. That's basically what she has been doing here since. Then after that, she now arrived at this point. I can't remember telling you to go and sit down, madam. After that, I can't remember telling you to go and sit down. After doing that, she now came here and formed equations, okay? This one formed, 3 of them formed their respective equations. Remember that this minus this is what? This, from the question. So, the equation from this one minus equation from this one will be equal to the equation from what? This one. That's what she did. See the first equation here. See the second equation she got. Then the last equation is this. So she now, that's what she did here. This, are you following? This minus this equal to what? This. Just correction of what? Like terms. So she corrected like terms and got this will come here. Once this bracket opens, everything here will become minus. So this is minus, 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 minus. Then this one will come over. Minus 2 raised to n raised to power 3. Minus. As this one moves over, it becomes minus again. Then this moves, it becomes minus. And see your error here. I hope you know. There's an error here. Are you aware? This minus, this thing is supposed to move. This page should be minus instead of plus. Have you seen the error?
I use plus.
Huh?
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
So here should be what? Hope you're following. So hope you're following. So here should be minus. She didn't change the sign and said we move cross over the equality sign. So if we correct that now, we have something like this. If we correct that now, we have something like this. This will now become Here is minus. Hope you got it. Okay, yes, she now corrected like terms. 7 raised to power n, 7 n raised to power 3 minus what? 4 n raised to power 3. Then minus what? This one. So 7 n raised to power 3 minus 4 n raised to power 3 minus 2 n raised to power 3 will give you what? N raised to power 3. Hope we are together. Then she now let go to the next power. Minus 5 n raised to power 2 minus 2 n raised to power 2 and what? This one has no n raised to power 2. So what will be left here is minus what? Minus 5 n raised to power 2 minus 2 n raised to power 2, which is what? Minus 7 n raised to power what? 2. Then let's go to this one, n, the one that has n. So we have minus 7n. Here we have 5n. Minus 7n will give us what? Minus 2n. Minus 5n again, it will give us what? Minus 7n. Now let's go to the constant. The one without n. We have 6 here. Plus 6 minus 7 is what? Plus 6 minus 7 is what? Minus what? Minus 1. Minus 1. Remember that this will cross over and become 1. So minus 1 minus 7 is what? So here should be what? Here should be what? Minus 8. So n is what? N cubed minus 7 n is power 3 minus 7n squared minus 7n minus 8 is equal to what? 0. This one has entered into an equation. So how do we now solve this equation to find n? So let's see what she did. She moved. Okay, let's follow here. Let me follow what you did based on the correct one. This is minus 8, right? You move minus 8 to this place, right? It becomes what? 8, right? And she brought out n, right? She brought out n. So you now have n in brackets, n brackets, n squared minus 7 is equal to what? 8. So she now said that n is equal to what? 8. Then that means n is equal to 8 from what? So yeah, are you telling us that n is equal to 8 or n squared minus 7n minus 7 is equal to what?
8, yes.
Is equal to what? 8. Is that what they're telling us? Yeah, so that means n is equal to what? 8. So this is what? 8. Now, if that is the case, what else are we going to do? We can. Okay, you continued.
Yes.
Good. You now move this and have that.
N squared minus 7.
Minus 7n is equal to what?
Equal to 8.
Is equal to what?
8 plus this 7.
Is equal to what? Okay, 7 will go there. 8 plus 7 is equal to what?
8 plus 7 is
15. Okay. So what did they do? You now said again that n
minus 7 equals to 15. I factorize this one.
So and got that n is equal to what?
15.
So n is also equal to what?
15.
Here is what? 15. So n is also equal to what? 15. Okay, let's continue. Then what else did you do? Or n minus 7 is equal to what? 15. So n is equal to what now?
15 plus 7.
15 plus 7 is what? 20 what? 20 what? 22.
15 plus 7.
22. So she tell us that n is equal to 8, or n is equal to 15, or n is equal to 22. So for us to know whether this is true, if you put any of this value here, it will give us 0. If they don't give us 0, that means what she did is wrong. Okay? Let's see whether it's true. Let's try. 8. 8 cubed is what? 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8 is what? 5 what? Check it. Fast.
5 ones.
5 what? So 7 times, minus 7 times 8 squared is 64, right? 64 times 7 is what? 4, 4. Minus again, 7 times 8 is what? Huh? Huh? 50 what?
56.
Then minus 8. Oh, yeah, check. This must give us 0. If n is 8, it must give us 0. What do you get? Okay, look at it. Okay. You can still add these things and see what you get 5 1 to simply. This plus this is what? This plus this is what? 64. Up here, right? 56 plus 8 is 64. Is it not? What do you get? I say you can simply add up this and subtract from this one. True of us?
Yeah.
So just add 56 plus 8 is what? 64. 64 plus 448 is what? 512. It's correct. It's correct. N is what? N so n is equal to what? 8. That means n minus 8 is actually a factor of this. That means if you divide this thing by n minus 8, you don't have any remainder. It's a factor. That one is when we enter polynomials. So n is actually 8. But I wish I did this too.
This, something now in mathematics, if you are solving something now, like, as well that I did not make a mistake, and this one is wrong now, but as well that the answer is correct, and I don't think that our uncle normally say that when you're done solving something, this kind of, all these kind of formulas or methods, looking at your answers, you should know the ones that are inadmissible and the ones that are admissible. That is the ones that can be used and the one that is not possible.
So which one can be used?
It's 8, 15 and base 15 and base 22 is inadmissible. They can't be used.
Says who?
Says
who? Says who?
You can have base 15.
Who says you cannot be saved? Can't you have base? You can't have base 22. The question now, do you know the question? The question now is substitute this 15 and put it and see whether you get 0. That's the question now. Michael, put this 22 as n. I know whether you get 0. Do it now, fast. Substitute 22 for n in this equation and know that you get 0. Simple. Let's even know whether these other answers are correct. Another way is to divide this. I can divide this now, and let me even divide this. No time to waste. I can use synthetic method. I can use long division to divide this and get an answer. Let me see whether the quadratic equation is to give us. So you can have this now. Let's divide it. N cubed minus 7n squared minus 7n minus 8. We have n minus 8. N divide n cubed, we have n squared. N squared times n cubed, we have n cubed. N squared times minus 8, we have minus 8n squared. This is 0. Minus 7n squared, minus 7n squared, minus 8. So minus 7 plus 8. Minus 7 plus 8 is equal to, minus 7 plus is equal to n what? Square. We bring down this one, minus 8. N divide n square is what? N square. N times minus 8 minus what? 8n. Subtract, this is 0. Minus 7n minus 8 is equal to what? N minus 8. N divide n is 1. 1 times n n minus 1 times this is what? Plus what? 8.
Minus 7n minus 8n.
Is that what? Wait, this is, will be that one as 8, right? This divide n is what? 1, so it's plus 1. N times n, 1 times n is n. 1 times minus 8 is what? Minus 8 is 0. It's a factor of what? This is a factor. So this is what you will get. N square, I'm just helping you to do this thing, not this you did. I'm dividing the polynomials now, not this thing you did. So this is how you can get a perfect factorization. You have what? Plus what? Can we factorize this now? Is it possible to factorize this?
Plus n plus 1. No. Unless you remove the 1 over.
Can we factorize this one now? Can we? Can we? Is there anything we can multiply that will get 1 times 1? You have 1. Is it? Okay, you cannot go. So if you do this, n plus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1. So n is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1. So n plus 1 is equal to what? Minus what? 1. N is equal to what? 0. So if n is 0, this minus 1, this is minus 1, right? So n is what? Minus what? Minus 2. Can n minus 2? Is it possible to get n minus 2? Okay, if n is 1, minus 1, what will happen here? Here will become minus 1, right? This becomes 1 minus what? 7. This is plus what? Minus 1 square is 1 times 7 minus 7. This is minus 1. This is minus 7 minus 7 minus times minus 1 is 7 minus 8. This cannot give us 0. Well, minus 1 minus 7 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 7 minus 8. It can't give us 0. So this one now, at this point now, if you solve this tonight, you can only use almighty formula here. If you use almighty formula here, it will give you decimals. Am I communicating? Which are not what? Admissible. So the answer is what? 8. The only admissible answer there is what? 8. Are we together? So the answer is what? To base what? 8. So what we are trying to do, if you understand what I'm doing here, if by the time we enter algebra, I don't have to waste my time again in polynomials and equation. If you follow what you are doing here, but if you switch off, you lose it. When things are going on in the board, don't switch off. Try to participate in it. Okay? Try to do what? Participate in it. Why I'm solving this is because after this topic we are going to, soon we enter algebra. We'll start talking about these equations, so that by the time we enter there, it will not be an issue for us. Okay, so the answer is what? 8. Thank you. Next person. Next question. No question what? Question what? 4. Oh yeah. Do you want to come out? Fast. Fast. Clean the board and solve number 4. Alright, the question says number 25, when converted from the tens and unit base to the binary base 2, is one of the following: A, 10010, B, 111011, C, 11100, D, 11001. So what did you do?
I divided by the base.
Okay.
Which allows us to convert it to
Okay.
Then 25. 2 divided by 25 is 12 remainder 1.
Okay.
2 divided by 12 is 6 remainder 3.
Okay.
2 divided by 6 is
2 divided by 2 or 6 divided by 2? Which
6
one?
divided by 2
Okay.
is 3 remainder 0.
Okay.
3 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 1. Then 1 divided by 2 is 0 remainder 1.
Okay.
Then you
So what's the answer?
do.
The answer is what D. Is it true? Huh? Is it true? Is it true? Huh? Is that what you got? Thank you. All right, number 5. Michael, number 5. Come on, do number 5. Fast. Come on, do number 5. Fast. Clean the board. Fast. Come here. The question says calculate 3310 to base 5 minus 1442 to base 5. Oh yeah. Explain what you did.
I subtracted 2 from 0 and it couldn't work, so I brought 1 from here, added it here, multiplied it by the place.
Okay.
So I subtracted 2 from 5, I got 3. So it's remaining minus 1 here. I collected 1 from 3. So 2 is remaining here. I brought the 1 here and multiplied it by the base. So 5 plus minus 1 is 4.
Okay.
So 4 minus 4 is 0.
Okay.
Then 2 is remaining here, so I brought 1 again from the number next to it. Remaining 2. Multiply that 1 by 5, go 5. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Minus 4, 3.
Okay.
Then 2 minus 1.
So the answer is 1303 to base 5. Is it true? A favor? Favor is not even here, sir. Is it true, Chinwe?
1313.
Favor, what do you get? Michael Alpha, go back again. Let's see what you did again. Let's go by it again. Hope the question is correct, right? Let's go back. You said this cannot go right. You got 1 here, right? What remaining here was 0, not minus 1. Sure, you know. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what should here is 0. So if you now put this 5, it becomes what? 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. I think that's where the error came from. Right? We look so tired. And so, what's going on? Why are we still quiet? Is that what you got now? So have you seen where the error came from? Michael, you're making mistakes. Why? Calm down. I'll do this in well. Take this as your exam now. You're writing. There's no room for these mistakes. Work on your accuracy and your speed. Very important. Okay. All right. Thank you. Now next person. Come out. Come on, so number 6. Fast. No time. Copy it on the board. Come. Where are you copying it from?
I thought you call it.
Are you serious? Didn't you put down? Didn't you do the assignment I posted in the WhatsApp group?
Can you go to WhatsApp?
Since they say you don't go to WhatsApp since yesterday.
So that on our phone.
Huh?
So I don't know WhatsApp. I can think about that one.
Okay, please give us your note to copy. Please, our assignment is now posted on WhatsApp. Be checking your WhatsApp every day. For the assignment. We don't copy it on the board again. I won't take this excuse again. If you come today, you will not come tomorrow. I don't understand though. Take marker. That marker is not writing well. I don't understand you again. Take this one. Where? There's no marker here. This is no marker here. Children, fast, please. Time is not on our side. It's 9. I hope you've seen your fifth assignment. Huh? Are you serious? Okay, don't worry. I'll add you there and repost it. Have you seen the favor? Please be checking your WhatsApp every day. Check your WhatsApp every day. This assignment will be posted there. I won't take any excuse from anybody. If you can't access your WhatsApp, go ask your neighbor, ask your friends to help you with hotspot. Or look for our lesson member here. Search the WhatsApp through the person's phone and copy it out. Come and tell us what you did. Ajo. What's the question? The question say that, okay, 2n4 to base 7 is equal to 15n9. N to base 9. Find the value of n. Okay, what did you do?
I read this into 0, 1, 2. So, 2 times 7 raised to power 2 plus n times 7 raised to power 1 plus 4 times
Hope you're following.
n 7 raised to power 1.
Uh-huh.
And here 7 raised to power 2 49 times 2 n times 7 because 7 raised to power 1 is 7.
Okay.
N times 7.
Okay.
Raised. I made a mistake.
Where did you make mistake?
It's supposed to be 0.
Where? Which one? Oh yeah, correct it. Continue. 4 times 1, okay. No, just do your thing. You'll be correcting it as you go. Finish this side first. Finish this side.
1 times 81. 81. 5 times 9, 45. N times 1 is n.
Okay.
So here I have 2 times 9.
90 what?
98.
Okay.
7n.
Okay.
So here
So correct it. Here is now what? Continue. This okay. These are the okay. Now what next?
here I have. So I have to make this n subject of the form because I have to find n.
Okay.
So
There's n here now. So what did you do to the n this side? You threw it away.
no, I'll collect like 10.
There are 3 equal to 0. How many equal to do you have here? Each one equal to.
But like here, I've already made 7, the one that is bearing the n, sub m to be.
Continue what you are doing. Let me see what you are doing. Chide, how many equal to did you have here? This is 98 plus 7n plus 4 is equal to 81 plus 45 plus n. How come 3 equal signs appeared here? Work on with 1 equal sign. Okay, what did you do? Clean that thing you did. Solve this thing. In fact, from here, it should be cleaned. Solve.
7n equals to 98 plus 4. Then this n equals to 81 plus 45. So for me to make this n subject form, I'll divide both sides by.
This is where your error starts from. Simply collect like terms. Don't just collect like terms from here. Just collect like terms. Simple. Don't do that thing you are doing now. It's mathematical blunder. Collect like terms straight and do your thing. Now you come. Continue. Uh-huh. 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 Is not equal to what? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Continue.
7 minus n will be 6n.
Okay.
Then 98.
N is capital letter. Oh, I'm correct. Yes. Uh-huh.
Then 98 plus 4.
102. Uh-huh.
2. Minus 81 minus will be minus 81. 6. 12.26. So minus 126.
Okay.
So here now will be plus 1.
Don't ignore this. You are equal to 0. Uh-huh. All right. Uh-huh.
This thing n minus 126.
What's the answer?
So it should be 6n minus 24 equals to 0. So I'll make 6n from 6n equals to 24. I want to find the value of this n here. I will divide both sides by 6.
Just write that implies bam, bam, arrow. That implies bam, bam. Do like this. Good. Good. Is that what you got? Is that what you got, Michael? Is that what you got? Good. Ask you better, Joe. Ask you better, Joe. All right. Now let's go to the next question. Number 7. February, come out fast. Number 7, fast. Fast. What you did. Where is it? Come. Why run away from? I know that you don't like board, but you must like it by force. Oh yeah. Continue. Fast.
I changed to base 10.
Okay.
2s plus 3. 3 2 base 5. I changed to base 10, which is 17. Then I equate it as they equated it before, which is 2s plus 3 equal to 17.
Okay.
2s equal to 17 minus 3. Collect like times 2s equal to 14. S is 17.
S is 17.
That is the base now.
It's 17.
It's 7.
Is that what you got? Michael, is that what you got? Michael, where were you? Is that what you got in number 7? Is it number 7? Yes. So 7, number 7 answer is 7. All right, let's go to number 8. Number 8, after February, Chinwendoya, come. Go answer number 8 for us. Fast. So the 7 we just solved now says if 2 3 to base x is equal to 3 2 to base 5, find the value of x. And the options are 7, 6, 5, 4. So and February solve it and got 7. That's the correct answer. The one Chinwe want to solve now, don't bother writing the equation. Let me dictate. It says if all numbers in the equation y over y plus 101 is equal to 11 over 10010 are in base 2. Solve for y. Fast. So now I will start timing us You should not be in one question for more than 2 minutes. You shouldn't be in one question for more than 2 minutes. So as you are doing the assignment, you try as much as possible to work on your speed. Especially those that are writing jam. You should know how to solve fast. Okay? Solve fast. Be fast in what you are solving. From Monday, I'll start timing us. I'll start from 2 minutes per question. Gradually, I'll be bringing it down. If you're able to solve your question within specified time, you have a gift from me. These things are very important in what you are doing. Your speed, it matters a lot. I'll be keeping quiet on the issue of time because I focused on accuracy first. Make sure that people are getting the answer, but it seems that we are improving in the accuracy. Now, next level I move now is your speed. Work on your speed. Work on your speed. Your speed is how fast you're able to solve questions within specified time. And after that, now we'll go into not commonality with calculator. Yes, but all of you now will write jam. Two of us, all of you will write jam. Even though there are some that where I can jump, but in all of you will write jump. So you start solving without touching your calculator. These are the things we'll be doing in our review. So that's why this is the most important aspect of what you are doing here. Very important. Not people like Chinere that come late. They will miss review. 4 p.m. we've started review. We don't copy anything on the board again. So if you come late, you are losing. Are you done?
Yes.
So what did you do? Tell us.
Start the question. You see that if all numbers in the equation y over y plus 101 is equal to 11 over 10.
Who told you this 11?
Is equal to 1 over 10010 and
Okay.
raised to that we should solve for y.
Okay.
So I cross multiplied.
Okay.
Then y times 10010 is 10010y, which is equal to 11 times y plus 101.
Okay.
Then 10010y is equal to 11 times y is 11y,
Okay.
plus 11 times 101 is 1111.
How do you know it's 111?
I times it.
Is that what you did there?
Yes.
Okay.
I've proved well.
Okay.
Then I will now collect like terms.
Okay.
Then I did 10010y minus 11y
Okay.
is equal to 1111. And then 10010y minus 11y.
So where did you do it? Show us.
Yeah.
As you used the same place.
No, I've cleaned that. We are using this one.
Which one?
Look at it. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1.
Okay, I agree with you. What next?
So I now minus 10010y minus 11y.
Okay.
I got 1111.
Okay.
So I will now divide it
Okay.
to make y the subject of the formula.
Okay.
Then 1111 divided by 1111 is only y that will remain. So
Okay.
if you divide it, it's 1.
Do you agree with her? Is that what you got? Chinaya, do you agree with her? Can you see the board there? Can you see the board there? Okay. All right, thank you. The next question says y is actually 1. That's good. The next question says the sum of 11011 to base 2, 11111 to base 2, and 1000 to base 2 is 10m, 10n, 0 to base 2. Find the values of m and n. Option A, m is 0, m0, n0, Option B, M1, N0. Option C, M0, N1. Option D, M1, N1. How, okay, we are moving like this. Come and solve this one. Who solved before I called you? Michael Lawyer. Okay, we move like that after Michael. Favor. No, she's not doing mathematics. She's here for physics. Oh, yes, solve that one. You cannot continue. Just tell us what you did so that we can know we have to make corrective from. Oh yeah. Eh? All right, now solve.
I added these two. So this plus this is 2. See here. So I divided 2 by 2.
Okay.
Give me 1 over 0.
Okay.
Root 0 and added the remainder. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 give me 3.
Okay.
So I divided 3 by 2. Give me 1 remainder 1.
Okay.
Put the remainder 1 here. I put the remainder 1 and put the remainder 1 here.
Okay.
Added it together and divided by 2 again.
Okay.
Give me 1 remainder 0. And
Okay.
put the remainder. Put it here. 3. 1 remainder 1. And divided by 2. Give me 1 remainder 1. Added it again. Added it again was right 2. Give me 1 remainder 1.
Okay.
So it's the 1 and the remainder.
Okay. Okay.
So added straight. Then added this 2.
Okay.
1 remainder 0 after dividing together.
Okay.
Put the remainder here. Give me 1 remainder 0. And also
So you got 1 0 0 1 0 1 0.
from adding these 3.
Okay. So they not ask you that if you add it, you get this. So find the value of M and N. So continue.
Whereas this
So what is now M? Count their positions now. The position M is replacing is what is M. So what does M replace there? Eh? So M is the pronoun.
no, I want to clean
0 is the what?
the noun. I want to
I'm asking a question. M is what? Pronoun. 0 is what?
now
What is the name we call it?
antecedent.
Do antecedent. Here N is the pronoun. So what is the antecedent there?
1.
1. So M is 0, N is 1.
I didn't know you would to be.
Yes. That's why you are here, to know it. Have you known it now? Is that what you got? Is that what you got? Wait, Favor, is that what you got? So what did you get?
I added all of them together.
And do what?
I got M is equal to 0 and N is equal to 0.
You added what together? This and this.
No, 1 1 0 1 1 base 2 plus 1 1 1 1 1 base 2 plus 1 like the 3.
You must have made a mistake. You don't make a mistake. Make a mistake. Okay, you want us to show it on the board? Come and saw what you saw. You said you wouldn't make any mistake. Come and solve. Let me see why your own answer differ. Fast. Come on, let me know why your own answer differ. Okay, China, you get some answer. Okay. I add. Let's see.
1 plus 1
Is what?
so 0.
Okay.
That is 2 and 1 remainder 0.
Okay.
So carry 1.
Okay.
1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3.
Okay.
We are ultimately is 2. That
Okay.
is 1 remainder 1.
Okay.
1 plus 1 is 2.
2. Okay.
That is 0. That is 1 remainder 0.
Okay.
0 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3.
Okay.
That is 1 remainder 1.
1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4.
Okay.
That is 2 remainder 0.
Okay.
I'll divide it since I'm doing base 2. That is 0, 1.
So, what did you get in your own? Get your own book.
1, 0.
Get your book. Let me see your book. So what did you get?
So I got 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay.
Okay, here now. Can you now go and sit down? Thank you. So he got it. The answer is what? C, right? Okay, the last one. February, come. Last one. Come and solve last one for us. That one is simple. But solve it fast. So we can go to another. We can do what we have today. From tomorrow, I'll give him time for this thing. And if I come, I'll just line up gifts here. About 10 gifts. 10 gifts, no matter how small, I'll line it up here. And I'll give time. If you're able to solve your own within, I'll start from 2 minutes. Subsequently, I'll be making it down. My target is for you to be able to solve every question within 40 seconds. That's my target. If you're able to do that, what you do, jam, is not here. If you're able to do this thing, take it seriously. That we'll start from 2 minutes. As time goes on, we'll keep bringing it down to 1 minute. My target is that you should be able to solve any question given to you with a calculator. Get the answer with a calculator under 40 seconds per question. If you're able to achieve that, forget. Just forget. So I'll line gifts here, no matter how little it is, I'll just line it up. 10 gifts every day. There must be 10 gifts here. If you're able to solve within the specified time, you take your own and go and rest. If you're not able to do it, if you make a mistake, another person will come and solve it, and the person will claim the gift. If none of you is able to do it, I'll take my gift home. Tomorrow again, I'll bring another. So please take this assignment seriously. Okay. Let's see what you did. Oh yeah. Tell us what you did.
I changed it to base 10. I changed this one also to base 10.
Okay.
Then I equated.
Okay, you arrive at this equation. Solve the equation. Tell me what you did. Tell me what you did.
Okay. I use completing the square method.
Okay.
I'll use factorization method. I use completing the square method. So I arrived at the answer.
So what is the answer now?
Answer is base 7 now. We cannot have anything like minus 1 base or something like 1, 2, 4 base minus 9.
Is that what you got? Mark, what did you get? But did you understand what she did? Is that what you got? What did you get? She converted. Okay, let me simplify it. We'll still do quadratic equation as a topic. I don't want to start teaching quadratic equation now because it's not what you're supposed to be doing now. I just want to. Let me just use factorization method and solve this and make it simpler. Okay. Let me just use factorization method to solve it and make it simpler. Did you understand what she did here? She converted this to move this from base n to base what? 10. And move this from base 5 to base what? 10. So having moved this to base 10, she got this. Is that clear? Michael, move this to base 10 fast. This way you are looking as if you are confused. Move 1, 2, 4 to base n to base 10 fast now. Plus what? N square plus what? That's all. How did you get it? How do you get n square plus 2n? How do you get it?
I multiplied each of them by
Come here. Come and do it on the board. Let me see what you're saying. Fast. Come and do it here. Let me see what you're saying. Just use the same method we have been using to move something to base 10. Where that base should be there, what should be there? It should be n. Where the base should be, what should be there should be n. Fast, just show me what you did fast. Let me even know what you did. Why do you put 2 then? Clean that 2 first. Just do your thing first. After you raise it well. After you put the power. Continue. Then raise the powers. Put the powers. No, that's where issue comes from. Start from there.
I already did it here.
Then continue now. Let's see. But you say you got n square plus 2n.
After I did it,
The question I asked you was to move 1, 2, 4 to base n to base 10. That's the first one. You told me that you got it to be n square plus 2n. That's why I became confused. That's why I called it out, because you said that you moved 1, 2, 4 to base n to base 10 and got n square plus 2. Is that what you got? Now, she got this. Look at it here, and she got this. Did you get this in 7? Did you move this to base 10 in your book?
not 60, 67. I minus.
Come down first. Let's take it step by step. You got this to what? 7. Now,
I got 63 after minus 7.
can you, Michael? Just listen first. What I ask is, did you convert this to base 10, and you got what? Just come down first. Having done that, what you do is to equate the two of them, because this is equal to this. That means you got to equate this to what? This. I want to know how you got what you got. That's why I'm taking it step by step. This is 2n plus what? 4 is equal to what? 67. So what else did you do? Look, forget this side now. We are now here. What did you do here now?
So I should get this minus this 4 here, because this is 7 minus 4.
And got what? So n squared plus 2m is equal to what?
63.
What did you do?
I wanted this n to stand alone, so I divided everything by n.
So what did you do? That is where the error came from. At this point now, you don't do that. See what you do here. You can go and sit down. I've got what I'm looking for. Sit down. Let us now solve it. I've gotten where the issue came from. And look up. I've gotten where the issue came from. Just look up now. Let's solve it, please. She used completely. At this point now, we need to move this to become quadratic equation. Move this 67 to this side. It will become what? N squared plus 2n plus 4 minus what? Is equal to what? 0. N squared plus 2n. 4 minus 7 is what? Minus 3 is equal to what? You have gotten a quadratic equation. So solve this in quadratically. She used you can solve quadratic equation using factorization method. You can solve using completing the square method. You can solve using almighty formula. But this can easily be solved using factorization without wasting time. So let's just use factorization and get it done, okay? Now remember, to solve this, use factorization. Now you use this first term, this highest power, which is what? N squared, to multiply this constant. So if you use the n squared to multiply the constant, you get what? You get what? 63 what? N squared. Okay? You get what? 63 what? N square. So what you now do here is that look for factors of 63 n square that if you multiply them, this is minus 63 n square. You use for factors that if you multiply them, you get minus 63 n square. And if you add them, you get plus what? 2n. And from here now, the factors are nothing but, judging from this coefficient alone, they are 9 and what? 7. But if you multiply 9 and 7, you get what? 63. True of us. Now let's now consider the signs. So now, these things, two things now that you can multiply and get this now, and for them to be added and get plus 2n, that means the one that is the bigger one will have the positive sign. For you to have a positive sign here, true of us. The bigger one will have a positive sign. So the two factors here now are plus 9n and what? Minus 7n. Plus 9n and what? Minus 7n. If you multiply this now, plus times plus will give you minus. 9 times 7 will give you what? 3. N times n will give you what? N squared. So and if you add this now, plus 9n minus 7n will give you what? Plus 2n. So you will now use them to replace this what? Plus 2n. Because you want to factorize it. So if you do that now, you have n squared plus what? 9n minus what? 7n minus what? 63 is equal to what? 0. You can now do what? Factorize. So if you bring out 1n here, we have n in bracket what? N plus what? 9. Minus, bring out 7 here. We have 7. N remain here. N minus n. If you now do, sorry, you divide. If you divide here with minus 7, okay? We want to bring out minus 7 so that here will come plus. If you bring out minus 7, you divide 2 by minus 7. Here turns to what? Plus. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Sorry. If you bring out minus 7 from here, what will remain here is what? N what? N what? Plus what? 9. Good. Open it now. Minus 7 times n is what? Minus 7. Minus 7 times plus 9 is what? Minus 3. So with this now, we have n plus 9. N plus 9. You pick one of the n plus 9. You now have n minus what? 7 in bracket. N plus what? 9 in bracket is equal to what? 0. That means either n minus 7 is equal to 0 or what? N plus 9 is equal to what? 0. That means n is equal to what? 7. Or n is equal to what? This will go to this side, become minus 9. For the equation, either of this will give you 0. If you replace n with either of it, they give you 0. But for the purpose of what you are doing, this thing cannot, the base cannot be in what? Negative. So the only one we can take here, borrowing what she said, the one that is what admissible here is what? The one that we can use is what? 7. We cannot use what? Minus what? 9. So the answer is what? 7. N is what? 7. Okay. Thank you very much. I don't know if you have any question in this mass review. If you have any question, you ask. In the absence of any question, we will stop here for today. And as I said before, from our next class, from this physics review I've already sent to the WhatsApp. Please go and, as I said, copy it in your notes. Solve it. If you see anyone you don't know, research on it. Get your textbook. Get your textbook. Research on it and solve it. Scientists are problem solvers. Solve it. Solve it. After solving it, in our next class, we'll just be giving two minutes per question. So under 20 minutes, if there's any correction, we are done. So that highest 45 minutes we enter the subject we have for the day. So we will not be wasting this time. Not this issue of calling somebody. The person will remain on the board 10 minutes trying to solve one question. Is that how you are going to write the exam? Yes. Now, continue. So please, that is no longer. What's that? With what? Topic? I don't understand. In class? But we are there now. You're asking me again whether we are done. But we are not there. No, I said the review. This is your review now. The topic, the lecture keeps going on its own. That's why if you check, you see, even if you finish this binary number in class, review that will come tomorrow, you still see question on binary number. You must see question on binary number if it's one question. Why is more like this? Because this is the topic we are treating. By the time we enter another topic, you will see binary number, but maybe one question. This will serve as a what? To refresh your what? Memory on what we have done. Even if we are in the 20th topic, you will see binary number in review. It will be occurring steady, but not the majority of the question in our review will come from the topic we are treating at the point in time. But the topic we have done in the past, we either see one. This will serve as a what? To help you remember what we have done. Because I don't believe in you have done a topic. If I call tomorrow to come and answer a question, then you're telling me. It's yourself. Are we in normal mass lecture? It's review now. This is what review is, not our normal lecture. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you.